Here is the presentation and here is the recording, so we are ready to go. The last lesson, guys, yesterday we were talking about cultures. This lesson is about cultures. Of course, sociology will be mainly concerned with society. But here in this lesson, we're gonna talk about cultures, the difference between cultures and societies. Cultures consist of products, human products, of course. In order to make their life easier, humans have made some products. These products can be materialistic or non-materialistic. It can be like any physical object in the society, like cars, buildings, pens, computers, and so on. While, on the other hand, the abstract objects like language, religion, politics, systems, and so on, laws, will be the non-materialistic culture. So, cultures consist of products while the society consists of people. We have five components of any culture all over the world. In order to use the term culture, we have five components. Okay? We have symbols, language, technology, values, and norms. Three, it's not a culture. Four, it's not a culture. Every single culture in the world must have these five components. The first one we discussed was technology, and technology in sociology is different. Can you remind me what's technology in sociology? Yes, guys, technology in sociology?
I think you said it was like it's like using people, but not using. I don't really remember.
I think it's using inventions to make life simpler.
Easier.
Yes, Ahmed al-Sayed, Ahmed al-Sayed. In order to make your life easier by using tools or some kind of equipment, this is the normal technology. But technology in sociology will be the rules for using any physical object. Of course, in order to use a physical object like a car in the society, you must have some knowledge about driving, about the traffic systems, and so on. In order to use a computer, a physical object in the society, of course, you must some have knowledge of the operating systems, for example. So technology in sociology will be the rules for using any physical object, and keep it in your mind because this is, I have been seeing this mistake a lot. What's technology in sociology? Okay, keep it in your mind as a reminder, please. Technology in sociology is different than normal technology. The normal technology are ways or tools to make your life easier. But here in sociology, they are the rules for using any physical object in the society. Okay? And symbols is anything that represents something else. Thumbs up, victory sign, flag, national anthem, logo, emblem, anything that represents something else. It can be a word, it can be a sound, it can be a photo, it can be a gesture, anything that represents something else. Language, of course, it's the main tool for communication. Number four will be values. Okay. Of course, all the societies all over the world have their own beliefs, have their own traditions. If it is shared among the people, it's a value. And keep in your mind that this belief can be good or bad, can be right or even wrong, can be desirable or undesirable. Sorry, no problem. If it is shared among the people, it's a value. Let's have a look here at this continent. What is this continent, by the way? I make it blur on purpose. What is this continent?
South America.
South America. South America. Thank you very much. Here, next to the borders between Brazil and Venezuela. ماشي. Here lived the Yanomamo people. Here lived the Yanomamo people. Okay? The issue here that this group of people, and by the way, until now, they are living over there. Their shared value over there is competition. So they used to compete with each other, especially the males, and as a way to show some kind of physical strength. So maybe after some kind of hostility and disagreement with the group members, one of them will simply take his family and take a small group, and he will go to a place next to them in the jungle, and he will try to establish his own society over there. And of course, he will try to have some kind of attacks on the larger or the bigger group. This is the norm, and this is the normal way of living over there. Competition, to compete with each other in order to show the others that you are the leader. So the shared value over there, guys, the Yanomamo people, is competition. On the other hand, here in Southern Africa, we have the San people. The San people simply, and they are until now, by the way, it's a group of people. When they go to find their food supply, they will leave their females, the children, and the males will go to hunt. When they finish, when they finish their hunting, they will go back to the tribe and they will divide the food among the members. During the time when the food is rare or scarce, there will be shortage in the food supply. They will try to divide themselves to smaller groups, and they will go to hunt. Then they will be back and divide the food among all of the members. So the shared value here will be cooperation. So here we have two examples of two different values: competition among the Yanomamo people and cooperation among the San people. So we have no problem. We are not judging the people. We are not judging them, who's right and who's wrong, who's good or even who's bad. We have no problem, by the way. But it's a shared value. Okay, you can go, I am. It's a shared value. Okay. Why like Minecraft? I didn't get it. Minecraft is my kid is used to play this game. He's playing with it a lot, but I didn't figure it out. Okay, no problem, leave it. So guys, if it is shared among the people, this belief, if it is shared among the people, it's a value. That's it. This belief can be right or wrong, good or bad. I have no problem, by the way. If it is shared among the people, it's a value. And value is the fourth component of cultures. Values are shared beliefs. The last one, the last component of cultures will be norms. And norms, guys, is the most important term in sociology. You're gonna hear this term a lot. Mainly talking, norms are the expected behavior, not the actual one. If you remember at the beginning of the year, I have told you that after entering a building or a facility and you're gonna see all the people are standing in a line, what's your behavior? Normally, logically talking, by using your common sense, you will go to stand in the line. But this is not the actual behavior. This is the expected behavior. But of course, you're gonna see some people will not follow the rules. They will not stand in the line, and they will try to pass this queue a little bit. So norms is the expected behavior, not the actual one. So what's the consequences? What gonna happen, for example, to the guy who will not follow the norm, who will not stand in the line? What do you think the consequences of his action can be? Send him to jail, for example,
The security will take him out.
and they will send him to jail?
No, I didn't do anything, بس
And if there is no security, the people will start to talk to him. Follow the norm, follow the rules, be polite, behave, stand in the line, take your turn, and so on. Okay? So for smaller issues, for minor norms, there are no major consequences. But we have some major norms. By major norm, I mean committing a murder, for example. The norm here, the expected behavior, not to kill each other. But we have some crimes in society. We have some killings going around us. So what are the consequences? Simply the killer will be sent to jail. So I need you to differentiate between the less important norms and the major ones. For this reason, sociologists have classified norms or divided them to two kinds, folkways and mores. The folkways, like the minor issues, the minor norms, like to stand in the line, okay? And also after being introduced to one of to a new guy, for example, of course, the norm here, the expected behavior here will be to shake your hands. Of course, before the corona pandemic. But maybe you do not want to shake his hand. This will be rudeness, or he will try to think that you are cruel. There is no problem. There is no punishment. You will not be sent to jail, right? These are minor issues. But for the bigger ones, in order to protect and to preserve the safety and the social order in the society, they have developed some rules, some regulations. So every single human being in the society must follow and he must adhere to these rules. Because of course, breaking one of them, you will be sent to jail. Okay? So the serious ones will be mores, while the minor issues will be folkways. Is it clear, guys? Do you have any questions?
Yes, no.
Okay. Have a look
That's okay.
here, guys. Let me share it with you. Okay. If I ask you what are the key components of culture, what you gonna tell me? Any suggestions? Yes? Yes, Amjad?
Language, symbols, technology, values, and norms.
4, 5 components. Okay, Abdullah Bandar. The next one.
Yes.
What's the difference between material and non-material culture?
A material culture is a culture that lives by creating their own materials, while a non-material will not, and it will use other materials.
Okay, the abstract ones. Asir Yasir.
Yes, sir.
Asir. What's society, Asir? What's a society?
Yes, sir.
Society, what is it?
حضرتك بتسألني عن question ones اللي هو define the following صح؟
Just society.
أقدر أقولها بالعربي طيب اللي هو
No, we are not talking about social studies in Arabic.
group
Keep
of
on
people
thinking.
طيب يعني group of people كده
Thank you. It's a group of people.
in the community.
Society consists of people. I have no problem, by the way, to express me the meaning by using your own words. ماشي؟ خالد عبد الجليل. خالد. خالد. Where is
خالد
Khalid?
مين يا مستر؟
Khalid عبد الجليل. I think.
موجود.
Yes, Khalid. Can you answer the next one, please?
The culture.
Culture.
Culture. Mr. Maybe the ideas and social behavior of particular people, I think.
The social behavior of particular people.
Yeah, or society.
Khalid Dosari. Do you have any idea? I think Khalid have some kind of yellow icon or yellow circle. I do not know this issue. Leo, can you tell me what's a culture?
Yes, Mr. Culture is a group of people who share the same 5 components.
Okay, so keep in your mind, Leo, that culture, it's a group of people, and society is also a group of people, right?
Yes.
This is right. Both of them consist of people. Hamza, what you gonna tell me?
Technology number 3, or we are still in culture?
We are still in culture.
Okay, so culture it's similar to society. It's a group of people who share the same language, symbol, and values.
So can you say it again?
It is a group of people who share the same language, symbol, or values.
Okay. So culture, it's a group of people. Okay, please guys write a message to Khalid Al-Dosari. I do not know what's the problem with him. So I can show you here the presentation. Type for him a message, tell him where are you. Let me share for you something here. Do you remember this slide, guys? Culture consists of shared products. Society, people. So the society consists of people, while the culture consists of products. Got it, Leo? Or not yet? Both of them are not the same. You have said that society consists of people and the culture consists of people. Of course, this is common sense, but related to sociology, guys, culture, shared products. Society, people. Back to our practice sheets. Okay. Technology. Yes, do you?
Me?
Why are you raising your hand? I thought you want to answer.
Okay, I can answer, Mr.
No problem if you do not want. I thought you want to answer this one instead of the previous one. Okay, no problem. Omar Abdullah. Omar Abdullah, can you tell me please what's technology?
مستر معلش انا اتطردت
With you, sir.
بالغلط بس.
Who has kicked you out?
Technology
يعني تقريبا
inventions
عمل
that are used to make life easier.
Wait. Let me hear the answer, then you will tell me what's your problem. Yes, Omar, sorry, اتفضل.
Yes, the rules and inventions that are meant to make our lives easier.
Okay, Omar. In fact, Omar, you have told me the two technologies. Keep in your mind, guys, technology, the normal technology that we can say it's tools that gonna make our life easier. This is the normal technology. Wrong answer. Technology in sociology.
Object, Mr.
Thank you very much. Like Leo had just said, rules for using any physical object in the society. So my key word here in technology will be rules. Sorry, got it, guys? Rules for using any physical object in the society. Keep it in your mind. You're gonna see this item a lot. Technology and sociology, rules for using any physical object in the society. Now, who will define for me value? Value.
Value about what, Mr. Tani?
Value. What's a value? As a component of cultures, what's a value?
Price.
In fact, the answer is two words.
Here, please.
That's it. Exactly. You are my hero. A shared belief. So value is a shared belief. That's it. The next question will be, society's culture consists of not only, but also for using them. Do you need some help? Yes, Amjad?
It consists not only of the products but also the rules for using them.
Thank you very much. Exactly. So the society's culture consists of not only physical objects, but also the rules for using them. Is anything that represents something else and it has a shared attached to it.
Symbol, yeah, Mister.
Symbols, exactly. A shared what?
Value.
A shared meaning attached to it,
Meaning.
or a value. Is defined as a shared rule of conduct that tell people how to act in a specific situation. Expected behavior. How to tell the people to act in a specific situation. Norm. Exactly. Exactly. So, expected behavior. Not the actual one. Norms. Thank you very much, guys. Is it hard? I will publish.
No, easy, Mister, easy.
Yes, I know it's easy because for this reason we have been discussing it for only 2 lessons. And inshallah tomorrow we will start the